Well, moat is such a critical thing. We talked about the intrinsic characteristic. It's intrinsic to the company. Like shelf space is intrinsic to Coca-Cola. Like if you own IBM mainframe computers, you're stuck with them. If you own Apple as an ecosystem, you got Apple Watch, you got an Apple computer, it's really painful to switch over to a whole different system because you've got all your software on one thing. That's called a switching moat, and it's a fundamental way that a company can protect itself against competition is to make it very hard for you to switch to somebody else, either by great customer support or by having an ecosystem. It's a fabulous moat. A brand is another really powerful moat. Obviously, Coca-Cola has a big brand, IBM has a big brand, Apple has a big brand. But a lot of companies build brands that are based on how good they treat you as a customer. Ulta comes to mind. I don't do a lot with makeup myself, but I have definitely looked into Ulta and I like the company very much. It's a very strong brand because they are great with making sure you're finding the things you want in their store. So branding is a really powerful moat. Another moat is something like what happens with a utility, like a PG&E that does all of the power for California, say. They get what's called a toll bridge moat. You have to use them. You don't have any choice. Now, actually, one of the things that's important about a moat is making sure that it is consistently being widened by the company, whereas a company like PG&E is starting to see their moat shrink. The virtue of solar power, wind machines, it's all shrinking that toll bridge moat. So we want to watch the moats. We want to make sure we understand what it is. It's fundamental to owning a company for the long term. And when we see the moat expanding, we know, great, this is going to be a better investment next year than it was this year. And when the moat starts to shrink, when the competition is pushing in on that moat, when you start to find you own a typewriter company, when here comes the computer, or a harness company, when here comes the car, or a gasoline car company, when here comes the electric car, you want to be sure your story is changing and you shift away from that shrinking moat. So moat's pretty important. Pay attention to it. Well, that's it for this week's video. If you're new here, or if you found this helpful, just subscribe to our channel for more education like this on a weekly basis.